Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new topic in grammar. The topic is preposition. Before starting the topic, I want to define preposition. See, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other words in the sentence. Means preposition is a word that relate the other words in a sentence. Means preposition, without preposition the sentence becomes meaningless. It is a word that relate the noun or pronoun with other words of the sentences. See the example. The book is on the table. Here on is a preposition and it is telling the relation between the book and the table. Means where is the book? The book is on the table. So let's see the common uses of prepositions, where we use these prepositions and how many prepositions are there. First of all, we will do at and in. At and in both are used with the words of towns or villages, but at is used with the names of small towns and villages. Same in is used with the names of big cities and countries. See the example. He was born at Kabirpur in Sonipat. We settled at Delhi in India. Here India is a big place, so in is used, and Delhi is a small place in comparison to India. That's why we are using at. But when you are given only Delhi, then we will use in. We live in Delhi. So at. At is used for a point of time. At or in both are used with the time also. So what is the difference? At is used for point of time, but in is used for period of time. See the example. I shall see you at 6 o'clock in the evening means particular time, a point of time. Or I shall return in 4 hours means period of time. In is used with the period of time and at is used with the point of time. Both can be used with the time also. Next, see, in is used with morning. We always use in with the morning. For example, in the morning, in the evening. In is used with months, like in March, with in week, in year, like in 1794, etc. At is used with night. We use at with night. For example, at night, at dawn, at daybreak, at noon. So at is used with these words. Both at and in are used in speaking the things that are at rest. When the things are in rest, we use at or in, but in is used to refer inside the thing. See the example. I am sitting at my desk means I am at rest position. She is sleeping in her room. In, she is in rest position but inside the room. In means inside, so in is used for room. She is sleeping. Next, after and in. What is difference between after and in? When after and in denote time, they both are used with the time. After refers to the past, but after is used to express the past and in refers to the future. Both are used with the time, but after is used with the past time and in is used with the future. See the example. He came back after a year means we are defining that he came back after a year. It is a past tense. That's why we are using after. I shall return your pen in a month means in coming time. I shall return your pen in the next month or in a coming month. So in is used to express the future. Now after and behind. After refers to time, order or position, but behind refers to the place only. See the example. You came after 10 a.m. and stood behind the wall. Behind refers the place only. We ran after the thief, and after we have done is used to express the past only. Next is between and among. So both are used to express the distribution. So between is the used for two persons. Be the twin. Two means in the two things or a two persons. Among is used for more than two. See the example. The father's property was divided equally between the two brothers. Means we are given two only. That's why we are using between. Or distribute these mangoes among all boys. We are given all here. More than two boys are there. That's why we are using among. In and into. Now what is the difference between in and into? In means inside or into means also inside. So what is the difference? In shows rest. In shows rest within. Means inside but in rest position. Into shows motion or movement inwards. Means coming inside. Movement or motion going to inside. There are 20 desks in the room. Already there are 20 desks inside the room. He jumped into the river. Means he was in motion. He jumped into the river. The remaining prepositions we will discuss tomorrow. Till then, do practice and stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.